If you love cooking but hate wasting time in the kitchen, you're going to love today's video. We're sharing smart Amazon kitchen gadgets and appliances that help speed up meal prep, reduce clutter, and make everyday cooking easier. Whether you're making a quick weeknight dinner or preparing a family feast, these practical finds can make a real difference. You'll find links to every product featured in this video in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Shintenchi Kitchen Island Cart, a versatile kitchen upgrade that adds valuable storage and extra workspace exactly where you need it. It features a spacious countertop for meal prep, cabinets and shelves for organizing cookware, dishes, and pantry essentials, plus smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility. Whether you're cooking, baking, or entertaining guests, this kitchen island helps keep everything organized while making your kitchen more functional and efficient. Number 2. The Sunvivi Outdoor Electric Roaster Oven, a convenient way to cook large meals with less hassle. It's perfect for roasting turkey, chicken, ham, and other family favorites while freeing up valuable oven space in your kitchen. Whether you're hosting holiday dinners, backyard gatherings, or weekend cookouts, this versatile roaster helps deliver delicious results with plenty of room for large portions. Number 3. The BELANKO Foldable Whistling Tea Kettle, a clever space-saving solution that's perfect for modern kitchens, RVs, camping trips, and travel. Its foldable design collapses for compact storage, helping you save valuable cabinet space, while the whistle lets you know when your water is ready. Lightweight, portable, and easy to store, it's a practical choice for anyone who wants convenience without giving up functionality. Number 4. The Mosalogic Fruit Fly Trap, a simple and effective way to help keep your kitchen free from annoying fruit flies and other small flying insects. Its compact design fits neatly on your countertop without taking up much space, making it ideal for kitchens, dining areas, and pantries. Just plug it in and let it work quietly in the background, helping you maintain a cleaner, more comfortable home. Number 5. The WHALL Full Touchscreen 2 Slice Toaster, a modern kitchen appliance that brings convenience and precision to your morning routine. The easy-to-use touchscreen lets you choose the perfect browning level for toast, bagels, waffles, and more with just a tap. Its sleek design looks great on any countertop, while the wide slots accommodate a variety of breads, making breakfast quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. Interested in any of these? You'll find links to every product in the description below. Number 6. The Aucma 6 5-quart stand mixer, a powerful kitchen companion that's perfect for baking and everyday meal prep. The large mixing bowl gives you plenty of room to prepare bread dough, cookie dough, cake batter, mashed potatoes, and more, while the multiple speed settings help you achieve consistent results. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, this stand mixer makes mixing faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 7. The Qcen Juicer Machine, a quick and easy way to enjoy fresh, homemade juice whenever you want. It efficiently extracts juice from fruits and vegetables, making it simple to prepare nutritious drinks in just minutes. Whether you're starting your morning with a fresh glass of orange juice or making healthy blends for the family, this juicer helps you enjoy more flavor with less effort. Number 8. The NETANY Overnight Oats Containers, a simple way to make meal prep easier and keep breakfast ready to go. These reusable containers are perfect for overnight oats, yogurt parfaits, chia pudding, fruit, or snacks, helping you prepare meals ahead of time and stay organized throughout the week. Their compact, stackable design fits neatly in your refrigerator, making them a great choice for busy mornings and healthy eating. Number 9. The Chefhandy 5-in-1 Baby Food Maker, a convenient all-in-one appliance designed to simplify homemade baby food preparation. It can steam, blend, reheat, defrost, and sterilize, helping parents prepare fresh meals with less time and effort. Its compact design saves valuable counter space, making it a practical choice for busy families who want a quick and convenient way to prepare baby food at home. Number 10. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan Set, a versatile cookware set that's perfect for everyday cooking. Whether you're making soups, sauces, oatmeal, pasta, or reheating leftovers, these saucepans provide even heat distribution for consistent cooking. The nonstick coating helps food release easily and makes cleanup quick, while the comfortable handles offer a secure grip for added convenience in the kitchen. Number 11. The NIUXX Bamboo In-Drawer Knife Block, a smart storage solution that keeps your knives safely organized without taking up valuable counter space. It fits neatly inside most kitchen drawers, protecting your knife blades while keeping them within easy reach. The natural bamboo construction adds a clean, premium look, making it a great way to reduce countertop clutter and keep your kitchen more organized and efficient. Number 12. The CNGLASS 900 milliliters glass teapot, a beautiful way to brew and serve your favorite teas. The clear glass design lets you watch loose leaf tea bloom as it steeps, adding a relaxing touch to your tea time. Its generous capacity is perfect for sharing with family or guests, while the comfortable handle and easy pour spout make serving simple and mess-free. It's a stylish addition to any kitchen or coffee bar. Number 13. The Nostalgia 3-in-1 Breakfast Station, a compact appliance that helps you prepare a complete breakfast without taking up much counter space. It combines a coffee maker, toaster oven, and griddle in one convenient unit, making it easy to cook toast, eggs, bacon, pancakes, and your morning coffee all at the same time. It's a great choice for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and anyone who wants to simplify their morning routine. Number 14. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, a fast and convenient way to enjoy fresh juice at home. Its powerful motor helps extract juice from whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep, saving you time in the kitchen. Whether you're making orange juice, green juice, or your favorite fruit blends, this juicer makes it easy to enjoy fresh, flavorful drinks whenever you want. Number 15. The OVENTE 2 Tier Electric Food Steamer, a healthy and convenient way to prepare delicious meals with minimal effort. The two-tier design lets you steam vegetables, seafood, chicken, rice, and more at the same time, helping you save both time and energy. Steaming helps retain the natural flavor and nutrients in your food, making it a great choice for healthy everyday cooking. Number 16. The Cusimax Hot Plate Electric Burner, a convenient extra cooking surface that's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, offices, and travel. Whether you need an additional burner for holiday meals, family gatherings, or everyday cooking, it heats up quickly and is compatible with a variety of cookware. Its compact design makes it easy to store, giving you extra cooking flexibility whenever you need it. You'll find links to every product featured in this video in the description below. Number 17. The Oceanstar Bamboo Tea Box, a stylish way to organize your favorite tea bags in one convenient place. The divided compartments keep different tea flavors neatly separated, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Crafted from natural bamboo with a clear viewing lid, it adds a warm, elegant touch to your kitchen, coffee bar, or office while keeping your tea collection organized and within easy reach. Number 18. The Elegant Sliding Tray, a smart kitchen accessory that makes heavy countertop appliances easier to use. Simply place your coffee maker, stand mixer, air fryer, or blender on the tray. Then slide it forward whenever you need it and push it back when you're done. It helps protect your countertops, reduces heavy lifting, and makes your kitchen more organized and convenient. If you enjoyed these Amazon kitchen finds, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more smart products and kitchen essentials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.